Hi everyone, Blondie here from GLUELESS Wigs and Hair Extensions and Blondie Original Lace Wigs, and welcome to my channel. And this is a video of what one wig has done in 7 days. Now at the moment you see me bleach in the knots. This was done basically. The knots was bleached previously, but they weren't bleached enough for me. It was just a bit at the front, so I went ahead and just mixed up my bleach concoction just to bleach the knots, and that's what you see I'm doing at the moment. So there, I'm just going in. Basically I've mixed up the paste. I did have it where I was mixing it, but the video part of that was just a bit too long and winded, so I just cut it out when I was mixing the bleach. So as you can see, it's a very thick paste, and I'm just getting all that around the inside. It's a 13x6 lace frontal, 26 inch and curly in a natural dark black colour. And I'm just there, as you can see, just putting all that paste in, and I'm using a lollipop stick. Yeah, I like my lollipop sticks. Daughter KK got that one for me actually. I need her to go and get me some more. I'm running out. She never actually told me where she got it from, but I need to ask her. She just came with a bag full of them and says, "Here mum, you need this for your business." So as you can see now, I'm just getting right to the front of it, and I'm just pasting it there, making sure that it's not penetrating. The reason you make the bleach thick is basically so it doesn't go through the holes. So the thicker it is, and also with it being more thicker, it basically takes longer to process, where the more runnier it is, the faster the process will be, and then you'll either get some blonde running through, and that's not what we want. But I do have a trick for that one. Actually, I think I did do a live with that when I had a trick, because I had a bit at the front when you see, but I don't think that was on my live video on Instagram. So sorry about that, folks. And I'm just getting near to the end now, and I'm just basically still putting that bleach in. I think I made this section a bit long, but being it's my biggest video so far, it is what it is. And I'm not a film director, I'm doing my best. And now I'm just putting the plastic bag in, just basically so it doesn't, and turning it upside down because of gravity, so it doesn't penetrate through. And now I'm on the plucking time. This one was very long-winded as well, so I had to condense this one. So at the minute I'm just spraying some water on, and I'm just basically plucking through, because as you can see with the hairline at the beginning of the picture, they had these long pieces of baby hair at the front, and as you can see what I've parted off there. Also with plucking, you see that line right there in the front, I will put hopefully, because now I'm doing the voice not over, I will put the arrow there, so don't worry yourself about that, to basically show do not go in between there, you go either in front of it or behind it. So I'm just there basically getting my hairline all nice and ready. Now this is basically the first day of the week, because it's 7 days. Today is the 7th day, and this was the first day. So this was me prepping it and getting ready for the initial install. So that's me just showing you how it looked before plucking, and with some plucking. I think this was the middle of plucking, and then this one will be when I was plucking it the first time. And as you can see, it was really thick on the hairline. It wasn't too bad, and voila! That was the first style of this lace frontal wig, 26 inch, and I did a good job. And that is glueless. I did not put any glue on that. Oh yeah. This is the morning after. Complete difference. Anyway, this is me revamping it in the next day, because as I always say to everyone, revamp your wigs. It's not about the first initial install, it's about when you wake up the next morning and what are you going to do with that hair. It's like, oh my god, have I woke up like this? So now I've decided that I'm going to wear it in a little half, well not even a half pony, a little, in a sense, well, 2 sides. Well, you kind of class that as a half pony, just a little something I just done at the front, just pulled it up a bit. So now I'm just doing the baby hair, and I'm using my elastic band, and voila. And now I'm just fixing up some of the mess, because basically look at that hairline's absolutely immaculate. So at the moment now I'm just tidying up and doing some of my baby hairs. So I'm just there, I'm using mousse, yeah, it was my all smooths I used, and maybe just a touch, a bit of Got to Be. But I will put that down in the bottom of what products I've used. And voila, that's style number 2. And here it is again, looking absolutely brilliant. And this is the day after, and this is when I decided, no, I don't think this was day after, 2 days later, I decided now, okay, I'm going to give it the bold hold. And that's me just there, basically touching up some of the little bits where, as you know, when you're doing your install, sometimes there's little sections where it hasn't got on the glue, the laces and extras, so I'm just touching up on all those little bits. As you see, the sideburns was messing about as per usual. Sideburns always give people problems, so I fixed that. Now I'm putting my mousse in, tying my my elastic band on. So I'm just waiting for that now. And here it goes now. Use the hot comb, and then I'm doing my centre part. Centre parts don't really fit me, but I just done it just so everyone can see how a centre part looks like. Now with a centre part, I normally have to have my hair going back. I can't have it all going in my face. My head is so tiny, it just doesn't look right. But I really love how this hairline's looking. It's looking so immaculate. I decided that I didn't want full baby hairs this time. I wanted you to just see and show you all, sorry about that, how the hairline looked. And what do you think? That is so natural. And this is not even a HD lace, it's a Korean Swiss lace. Yes, I didn't keep that one for long though. And there's a little quick last one. I'll show you how that hairline's immaculate with the sleigh of the bold hold. Now everyone knows me, like black hair. The last time I wore black hair was 20 odd years ago, so yeah, I had to get the bleach out. So yeah, I'm bleaching it now. This is also an attempt of something I saw on IG stories of a BLEACHED, and I like the way Harry did it. I will put his name on the bottom, but I'm going through the menopause and my brain right now is going through the fog, so I can't even remember. But I'll write his name down at the bottom. So I'm basically doing his style where you basically section it off, but you don't section it in the way like going across. You kind of section it side by, like a kind of a V at the back. So you've got a V in the middle, and you've got kind of coming out the sides, and you put the middle section up. But anyway, you can see what I'm doing in the video. And then now, that's the washed out version of it. Revamp your wigs. I'm always telling everyone to. So now I've done this one glueless, and I'm just tying the elastic band on it. Now I'll be honest with you, I wasn't happy with the colour. You can see it all over my face. It was just still too dark. I just wasn't happy. And yes, the tones at the back was lovely, but it was just all around my face too dark. So here I go again. I re-bleached it, and then I re-coloured it. I also put in the bottom what colours I used. One was a, oh god, see, I got the fog again. But I'll let you know in my box tomorrow. And not tomorrow at the bottom, and I'm not re-recording this, I really ain't. Anyway, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And this is me putting on the colour, and I'm really not recording this again. So I'm just basically going on top of on the roots, because I did 2 boxes I used on the top for the roots, and 2 boxes I used for the bottom on the ends, where you saw that I basically made it more lighter blonde at the ends. And that's me showing you the end results. And one thing I was so upset about, you can't really see how flamboyant and how vibrant the colour is. That's the part what really got me, even with the lighting I had, and I really got a bright light bulb where I was doing it there. So I'm just showing you as best as I can all the different mixtures of colours. Not a makeup artist, because when I looked at it, there was about 7 different tones. I think because it was my first attempt at a BLEACHED, and I'm not even sure if I'm even pronouncing that right. My kids always tell me about my pronunciation, but sorry, it's just who I am, this mature grandmother. So actually there, golly, you can see it there now. What do you all think? Didn't do too badly. And this shows you how our virgin hair can stand up to bleach, because this was the, let's see, I bleached it Thursday, and that was the 6th day, and I bleached it twice. So it's been bleached twice and had 2 sets of different colours put on it. And yes, hair goes, you've got to expect that with bleaching. but it was very thick anyway in the first place. So, and it's still bushy now, and it's still looking. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I say so myself. Nah, this is just a quickie, that one, because I was letting you all see my bald head. Joke. It's all grey. So now it's my makeup time. So I'm not going to give you a tutorial on makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. This is just me just doing my thing, as I always say to everyone. I'm a mature woman of 51, be 52 this year, and I just do what works best for me. I've picked up a lot of tips here, there and everywhere, and then eventually I just change it to just what works for me. There's still a few things I need, because sometimes with going through the menopause as well now, my skin's completely changed to how it used to be, so a lot of foundations I had before don't really work with me, so now I've got to use new ones. And this is how they're going to wake up with it 2 days later, and they're going to be in a mad panic and people will phone you and say, my wig. So I'm going to show you how I rewrap this back. So bye for now, back in a bit. Also, the morning after the night before, that's what you got to expect with these curly hair. It could be a couple of days later, it's just dehydrated out. What with me re-bleaching it, and the amount of bleach, it needs a lot of moisture to it. So I'm just there using a bit of oils for the sideburns, and just need to knot the hairline, tie in my elastic band, and then I'm just going to fix it and basically do it into a half pony. And I'm just combing through with it being bleached. It's a bit more fluffy and basically harder to maneuver than when it was naturally black, but that's what happens with when you recolor hair and bleach. It basically, as you know, strips it. So now I'm just tidying up the hairline and just neatening that up and just checking that everything's okay, and just making sure that that's all right. And I'm fixing up my little pony, and as you can see, it's just a clean up. So I hope you will enjoy this. And I'm sorry, I'm getting a bit tired now, so I'm just waffling on because this was a bonus one, so I'm just reattaching it now. This is the end of my 7 days 13 by 6 nice close-up curly natural colour, which you see me do 2 glueless, no, this is the first glue, 3 glueless and 1 glue, bleach it, didn't like the colour, then bleached it again, and 2 blonde colours. And today was basically the morning after the night before. I basically showed you how it was all bushy and knotty, and basically how I got it out. And there, pony. What do you think? This is glueless as well. Glueless test. Can you see it? Okay. Now I'm going to go fix up my face, take some pictures, and bye for now. Any questions, please leave them below in the comment section. I'd appreciate it. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I hope you appreciate this mature 51-year-olds who will be 52 in May. Basically showing you how to maintain and restyle your wigs after initial install, or your first refit, or even any old wigs or you've got and you feel that nothing can be done to them. Just like I'm going to put it. Let me show you. Alright. Let me show you one that's not done. Right, this one here. Look at that. Or watch what I do to this. One. It does this. Well, I'll show this one on the video. Anyway, folks, as I said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I hope you enjoy this mature 52, well, not 52 yet, but 51-year-old, that's just me, Blondie. Bye!